So last time we discussed about the best super saloons in India. Well, this time we are going to discuss the big boys. SUVs are meant to be the go anywhere family cars with lots of space. But over the course of years, SUVs have evolved from being slow friendly family cars to 300 kmph braking performance machine. That's why we have today two of the wildest performing SUVs that you can buy in India. So stay tuned and enjoy. The first car on our list is the Audi RSQ8, the German beast. Let us all accept one fact that Germans make some of the best cars in the world. The Audi RSQ8 happens to be one of those. The most fascinating thing about the RSQ8 is the engineering that has went behind it. We will talk about its engineering in one of our future videos, but for now, let me give you an idea of the performance of this machine. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and a top speed of 315 kilometers per hour. Also, the Audi RSQ8 is the fastest SUV ever around the Nürburgring. Yes, the green hill. I think that should be enough for you to consider buying the RSQ8. But if that's not enough, let these numbers sink in your mind. The engine from the Audi RSQ8 produces 592 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, which makes the RSQ8 one of the most powerful SUVs in the market today. Moving on to the second car on our list is the most popular SUV in the world, not just in India. It's from a company from whom we expected the least to make an SUV, but here we are with the Lamborghini Urus. So the Lamborghini Urus is selling in high numbers. But did you ever wondered why is it so? Well, there are several reasons. First reason, it's an SUV. SUVs sell like hotcakes because of their versatility and their capability. Same is the case with the Urus. Second reason, it's a Lamborghini, my friends. The badge says it all. If you want to show off, the Urus might be the perfect car for you. It has the same power plant from the Audi RSQ8 but with a bump in power, which in total gives a total of 641 horsepower through the rear wheels. And the Lamborghini Urus also happens to be one of the fastest SUVs you can buy in India. So that's it for this time. I trust you like this one. If you did, then do share it with your friends and do consider following Motordrift for more such content in the future. All the links will be in the description below. Till then, ciao.